I'm Doug Miller from High on Wall Street with this week's cannabis stock report for Weed Talk News. Michigan sales hit a record high, exceeding $221 million in December. Ounces are going for $90. Last year at this time, they were 180. Can this help the cannabis companies? I'm not so sure it can with the high cost of growing quality cannabis. But let's go ahead and look at Red, White, and Bloom brands. Stock ticker RWBYF. It traded between 10 and 12 cents today with a volume of 183,000. It's going to need to pick up that volume if it really wants to move. It was on a little bit of a run. It's starting to pull back. I think it's pulling back to make that next leg up. Now let's look at a Canadian cannabis company, SNDL Inc., formerly known as Sundial Growers. They completed an acquisition of the Valence Company, stock ticker VLNS. Now, SNDL Inc. has approximately $262 million in net cash with no debt. But let's remember, in the last 2 years, they've gone through multiple reverse splits and they've brought their shares from about 51 million to approximately 236 million shares, which is drowning in shareholders in dilution. It is setting up to run soon, so I'm keeping my eye on it. And that's this week's cannabis stock report. Reporting for Weed Talk News, I'm Doug Miller.